In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to get under cabinet lighting for under $50 in less than 5 minutes. Let's not waste any time. For this under cabinet lighting, I found these lights on Amazon called the EZVALO LED closet under cabinet or closet light. The main thing that I liked about these is that it does not require any wires and it's battery operated. So here's what you get in the box. You get a USB cable for charging of the battery. You get the battery itself, which lasts up to 2 months. It comes with this magnet with a 3M strip on the back and the light itself, which is motion detected. These lights were super easy to install. All I have to do is line up exactly where I want the light to be under the cabinet, peel off the adhesive from the magnet, install that on a flat surface, give it a nice press, making sure that it's staying in place, and then insert the battery into the light and snap it to the magnet. That's it. The main thing that I like about these lights is how super simple and easy it is. They definitely make a difference at night. They are motion detected, and I really like how you don't have to think about turning the lights on and off. As you can see here, they will stay on for about 15 seconds if there's no motion detected. Super easy install, probably one of the easiest ways to upgrade your kitchen with less than $50 per light. I just tested these out with 2 lights, and I've got 2 more cabinets that I want to get another pair of these lights for. Link is in the description below if you want to check these out again, but I highly recommend these. Super simple, easy, and inexpensive under cabinet lights that you can install in your kitchen in less than 5 minutes.